How to log into Envoy Mortgage Account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Envoy Mortgage Login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Open it. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now, from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the username. Then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember My Username, then agree with the terms and conditions. If you have forgotten the username or the password, you can click on these options given over here to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on Sign In, and with that, you will be logged into your Envoy Mortgage account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option of Register for Account and go through the account creation process. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.